How to create a Zoom account on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom account using iPhone. So let's get into it. First, you have to open up your app store and you can download Zoom from there. You can see Zoom One Platform to Connect. It's a video calling platform that will allow you to video call and attend meetings and much more. So you have to download this app. Once it's done, you will open it up and now we can actually join a meeting directly or sign up. So we're going to click on sign up right here. Now your date of birth is required, so I'm going to quickly fill that in. And now we can use our email address, or you can also use your Apple ID, Google, Facebook, and others. So I'm going to continue with Apple, our Apple ID. And then you can enter your passcode or your Face ID, and it will create the Zoom account for you. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.